Case name Sanmit, age is 15 years and today date is 2nd April 2026. So Sanmit, I want speech sample before starting voice therapy. What challenges you are facing in your day-to-day life communication?
Means my voice is when I call Uber or Ola, it feels like they first respond like ma'am. They do not tell sir or boy. That's why these challenges I'm facing, and I can't shout loudly.
Post therapy video of Sanmit, and today date is 9th of April 2026. I want speech sample after the voice therapy. And what was the problem? How do you feel after this 8 days of voice therapy? I want speech sample.
Hi, myself Sanmit, and this is my voice after speech therapy. Special thanks to SLP Sanjay sir. I have got a masculine voice.
So what challenges you're facing before the treatment?
Like my voice was childish and I was not confident.
Especially on the phone call, what was happening?
When I used to call Ola or Zomato, they used to respond like ma'am and then talk, which was I was felt ignored when I was talking with anyone, which made me a bit
Okay, so it was affecting your confidence as well. On which date you came and what date is today?
Today is 9th of April and I came here in the speech therapy 2nd of April 2026.
And today is 9th April?
9th April 2026.
Okay, so can you tell in the Kannada what was the problem and how do you feel after the voice therapy? And when you spoke to the people first time after the treatment, what was the reactions on the phone call?
ನಾನು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನನ್ನ ಚೈಲ್ಡಿಶ್ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಿಂದ ಬಂದಿದೆ, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ನನ್ನ ವಾಯ್ಸ್ ಮ್ಯಾಸ್ಕ್ಯುಲಿನ್ ಆಗಿದೆ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಂಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಕಾನ್ಫಿಡೆನ್ಸ್ ಇದೆ ಇವಾಗ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ಸಂಜಯ್ ಸರ್ ನಾನು ಈ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ನ ಫಿಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಕ್ಕೆ. ಮುಂಚೆ ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಓಲಾ ಊಬರಿಗೆ ಕಾಲ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅವ್ರು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿ ರೆಸ್ಪಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಬಟ್ ಇವಾಗ ತುಂಬ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you so much. And can we use a video for awareness purpose at our social media pages?
Yes, sir.
Thanks for the permission. And those who are watching this video, if you are able to see the positive changes, like this video, share this video, so that people having similar problem can get hope, motivation, and they can reach to a right place. And thanks for watching.